Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic and you're with Engineer OC. Today I want to teach you on how to bypass FRP on Infinix Smart 4. Now here is your phone. After restoring your phone, it comes on this page. Now the first thing you need to do, you click on your start, you click on skip, and then you connect to your Wi-Fi network. See your network, and then connect to it. After connecting to it, you come back to the first page, and then you go to your language, which is here. You go to language number 17 on this page. Start counting. Language number 17. From here, you count for all languages. You count. This is number 1. You count down to number 17. And this is the 17th. This one. This is 17th. YKP. Like that. You select. After selecting, you see this right up here. BITAEMO. Then you click the yellow button. Then you click. And then you go to see a Wi-Fi network. Then you go to add a Wi-Fi network. Then you see on this round ball. Then you press and hold. You see this menu. Then you click. That's coming here. You click this blue. And then you select the 5th option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Select. After seeing this page, you go to this upside, these 3 dots, you click on it, and then you click the 2nd option. Then you wait. After clicking, you see this page, then select number 1. After selecting number 1, you see this page like this, and then you see this share button up here. Then you click on it. Then all this app will show up here. Then you click on Gmail. After clicking on Gmail, you see this page pop up, and then you click, and then you click on add email. Then you see all the options here, and then you select the last one, which is exchange of email. Click on it, and then just type anything at all. Type anything like this, and then you remember this at. This at down here, you press it. You press it at any, you can say at anything, or let's say at P. Then you put your point dot, anything at all, any letter you can put. Let's say O dot P. Then you see this one, this blue button, and then you click. After clicking, you see all the options, and then you select exchange. And then you see this button here. You click on it as well. After clicking, you see this page will pop up, and then it will ask you set lock. Here you click. Then you see all the options. Then you select pin. Select pin, and then continue. Then you see this page. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you repeat the same pin again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you click. After clicking, then you go back. Then you go back to the first page where you are coming from. Then you change back your language to English. And then click on start. Click on skip. Skip this. Jesus. Skip this. Then you back. Connect. Allow it to load. Then don't copy, just a second, and then allow it to load. Then verify your pin. Then that pin you input, you put it here, and then you click. Then skip. You can see it. Skip. And then skip as well. Skip. You can activate that later. And then you go on. Then select your country. Since we are in Nigeria, you select Nigeria. Then click next. Accept. Then you see all this. Do it later. Then click next. And then your phone is all set for you to be used. You can see it. The phone has been activated for you. You can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Phone Clinic, for more details.